Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact song, composer, publisher, and record label so you know who controls rights. Once done, decide whether you need a sync license, master use license, or can use a licensed cover or royalty-free alternative. This choice determines cost and process. Make sure to prepare a short clip plan, length, edit points, and target territories, because licensors ask for specifics. You're initiating contact and documenting needs. That speeds approvals and avoids vague rejections. You then contact rights holders. Send a concise request to the publisher for a sync license and to the label for master use, including your clip details and platform. If rights are unavailable or costly, choose legal workarounds like licensed covers, production music libraries, or stems with SRC clearance. These often include YouTube monetization options. Negotiate clear terms, duration, territory, exclusivity, and fees, and get written confirmation. Make sure to request metadata and cue sheets. You finish by uploading your short with accurate metadata and attach license proof in your channel's claim dispute area. Add publisher/label names in the description. Once live, monitor content ID matches and be ready to submit your license or a signed agreement if a claim appears. If the claim persists or is rejected, promptly dispute with the documentation you received or replace the track with a licensed alternative and reupload. One troubleshooting tip: keep all email agreements and timestamps. They're your fastest path to resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.